Okay, please don't say lag. Stop lagging. God damn it. Okay, well, stop lagging, so. Of course I get tagged as soon as the camera stops lagging.
Stop people in front of me.
God dang it, I messed up.
Oh, everybody playing this map. That's not just T.
Hier kann ich sein, vertraut und verrückt sein, na 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 na. Unser Lieblingsmensch, wie wir sie uns kennen. Down, down, I do it always fun. There's a girl for in the area 51.
You're a fake Ubu boy.
Okay, let's see.
You're basically just a fake Ubu boy. Pink snowball. Pink snowball.
How did I get the pink snowball? Send me.
I didn't.
Unser Lieblingsmensch, für diese Komplimente
Dang it.
Bei dir kann ich sein, verträumt und verrückt sein, na 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 na. Unser Lieblingsmensch,
Someone throw me the fuck out flying. I'm gonna jump and y'all are gonna fall.
Oh, you're already gonna leave. Okay, that's just your plan.
Can someone?
Oh my gosh.
Why is people getting Italian brain rot up in their?
Because everybody is. Sticky Miss Blue.
More soccer bracelets. No, can you launch me?
There we go.
Oh my gosh, no! My snowball disappeared.
There we go, I got you, Black. I got you, I got you, I got you. Yes, yes, good, good, GG's. I just tagged the last 3 people. I got so lucky. I just tagged all 3 of you in like a minute.
What?
Yes. In a minute. I got very lucky there. I got luck. I got that luck.
Das ist krass.
God damn it.
Ja, du hörst dich nicht irgendwie, du hörst dich nicht deutsch an.
Hä?
Du hörst dich nicht deutsch, mein Gott, ey, ja, deutsch. An.
Ich bin
Buschko-Buscha. Right the ball.
Ah, du hast ein bisschen deutsch.
Nein, gar nicht. Sehr gut Deutsch sprechen.
Ja, aber eigentlich bist du Engländer.
Behind you, White, behind you.
Achso, du bist Österreicher. Ja, das hab ich schon gewundert, weil du hast einen Akzent.
Okay, just Snowball's disappeared. We must bully him. We bully the monkey. We bully him. Bully him, bully him. Bully the lava monkey.
God, bro. We need to do it somewhere else. We need to do it somewhere else.
Okay. Oh. No. Oh my god.
Yeah, exactly. Off the fan.
Okay. I know. And you
Just launch me off of this platform right here. Launch me off here. Yeah. Please.
Wait. Go.
Bunny hop. Bunny hop.
Go to Igloo.
It's my bunny hopping method.
Go to Igloo.
I founded it. Founded bunny hopping.
Igloo?
Behind you. Love monkey. Love monkey.
Fuck my fucking bike, bro.
Get out. Oh.
Yo, we gotta
I'm ready.
I kind of fell back a little bit.
I'm that way. Yeah.
Okay.
I think this guy.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Behind you, behind you.
No, I fell.
There you go, Black. Okay, just no lawmakers gonna even try for us. I see. They're just.
How the fuck?
Ooh.
No, there's...
Playing in real life. Bunny hopping.
Why am I really... Oh. Come on, kid. Let's go, I still be able to do this. A bit. No.
Oh, I missed. God damn it.
Wait, now don't you run out. No. Oh. I missed. Wait.
Oh my gosh, did you?
Oh.
Dude.
No, there's a mountain. You can save me, please. Behind you, there's a
Oh, yeah.
Hey, bye.
Bitch.
Like we're all just chilling over here.
Hello, he was the only for you.
Fucking god, I missed that.
I destroy you. Oh, hello, he was the only for you.
Fucking balls.
Ooh.
Hello,
Hey, you don't see me, okay, Black?
he was the only for you.
You're freaking fat. Get out of here.
That was so fast. Oh my
Like,
fucking
and that was a very close call.
Hello, he was the only for you.
That's why it's fun.
What the?
Come on. Is the only for you. Hello.
You got fucking launched into the moon.
You just slow, bro. You just slow. You don't have levels.
You just don't see me, like, okay?
Bang.
You just don't see me, okay?
This is a
You just don't see me.
I'm dizzy.
I feel like Black's gonna freaking snipe me.
You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're ugly.
Yo, who wants to get launched? Who wants to get launched?
Mommy.
Come on, I like it.
Yeah, you can do it.
Come on, I like it. Come on.
You teach me.
Get away! I don't like that, Black.
Oh, not good.
No, Black! No! Bro, I know I was on screen play. I messed up. I got unlucky. Also, you're just good.
Okay.
Hello. Without you,
You have lost the ball.
Hello. He was you behind, without you.
Why is it broke you singing that?
Hello.
I bet you guys can't retire.
What the fuck is that?
Thank you.
come here.
I'm sorry.
Where is it? Why is yours purple?
Get. What?
Come here. Come here.
Mine is not purple. What do you mean? Hi guys. What are you saying? Why is your mine freaking purple? Who are you? Are you Mumbo Jumbo?
Okay. Oh, what was that? What? Bro came jumping on me?
GG.
I'm not
Yes,
kidding.
GG, whatever.
Sitting
GG,
here.
whatever. Bro, what the freak?
You just come.
Hate the lag. Or delay or whatever.
It's your mom.
Bye-bye, bro.
Hello, only for you.
Get over here.
I was the last one, boy.
There's like 3 of them.
Wait.
Come on.
There's a guy up there.
With my sit
There's a
down,
man up there.
sit down, sit down.
I'm getting a snowball deflector out.
Oh. I love.
Fuck, I mean.
I love.
So what does that mean?
Now you're just annoying. I love you, Mom. Hey, hello.
Oh, blue.
She didn't have
Oh.
to that. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, Jesus
The
Christ.
biggest question I have: how do you launch yourself?
Oh, you're done for. You're done for. You're done for.
Oh, yeah.
How do you launch yourself off the wall?
GG's.
And like surf on them.
Oh my fucking Chilo monkeys here.
One round, and then I smash.
Wait, what?
With a perfect timing, you jump in another universe.
So like you do.
Hello. He was
Oh.
here.
Yeah.
Go away, camper. I will report you.
For what?
Hello.
You're testing.
He was here before you.
Bunny hop. Hey, yellow, orange, whatever you
How
want
do
to call
you
your
get
shit.
that? How do you get that? How do you get it?
How do you get
How
what?
do you get that?
The monkeys are in the house this manner.
How do you get that?
Oh, you don't see me.
What does this bro actually say?
Come Hey, hit me. Hit me.
How do you get what?
The edge of the universe.
When you get used to it. When you get used to it.
Bunny hop.
Fuck.
Hey, hi, motherfucker. Yeah. Fine.
Bro, what the heck?
Oh my god. Fucking mountain.
The power line. Oh, actually.
What you looking for?
How do you get that? How do you get the orange thing?
Oh my
do you get
Jesus
How do you
Christ.
get the purple thing? How do you get it? How do you get the purple thing? How do you get the purple thing? You don't. You missed, bro.
Oh,
No! Ow! I literally got you.
oh. Bye bye.
You kind of missed, bro.
Ugh.
Oh my god.
It's just hiding.
I love this cosmetic. This hand cosmetic, right? How do you get the purple thing? How do you get the purple thing? How do you get the purple thing?
With my sit down, sit down.
No, you just finally said
Oh,
you from
okay,
that
God
kid
damn it.
asking me how to get the
Did I do lagging? Are you lagging? Did you tag me?
No, not that.
Really? Tag me.
I love.
Oh my Shut up.
Someone is cooked now, guys.
Who's it gonna be? Oh, it's gonna be him.
Knife!
Go, Clowny! Go!
Come here. No.
Sorry, anybody who I hit off by accident.
Well, actually.
Come on, come on.
You don't come on.
There we go.
Come on.
Actually.
You don't escape to me.
Well, actually.
Hello.
Actually.
Hello. You. Everybody knows it's a magic story. Like you don't. Maybe don't be sorry to be like a you. Don't. Sorry. Ruin. What the heck?
I love her.
I love your mom.
Blue, get up here, Cyan. Get up here. Get up here, Cyan. I'm gonna jump.
Wait, give me a boot. Give me a boot.
Hello.
Is everyone ready?
He saved you. He saved
I just saved you again.
Hey, oh, what the heck, guys?
Surprise attack.
There you go. Saved him again.
Oh, I go to you.
Yeah.
I go to you. Sorry, I go to you. I
You
go
see
to
me?
you.
He's a Mexican.
Bro, what the?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come out again.
Sorry, I going to you. Sorry, bro.
Who like this?
I'm doing robot.
They're all coming for me.
No, doesn't last time. I thought you in the air.
I love her.
Where the fuck did you go?
I love her.
Here. Oh, this.
I love
I see you.
her.
But just tag me.
Oh my god. I can hit you everywhere.
I love her. I love
Blue, go, go, go. One's coming, Blue.
Your mom.
It's coming. There is no way. I just that hard.
Oh my god. How does my snowball just cap?
Oh my god, it's Albert Einstein. It's Albert Einstein. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, bro. Bro, I just juked you like
Fuck my Albert
times.
Einstein. It's Albert Einstein. Oh my god.
Bro,
It's
Gray,
Albert
can I tag
Einstein.
you? Gray, can I tag you?
No.
What do you mean with Albert Einstein? No!
Oh my god, it's Albert Einstein. Throw to snowball. It's Albert Einstein.
What? Why is this bro saying I'm Albert
It's
Einstein?
Albert Einstein.
Oh, dang it. God dang it. Bro, you just came flying. Where did you come right from there? Did you come right from there, Coco? Is that where you came from?
No,
You go.
I was
Oh.
going down there and then
I'm so sorry, but
That's why you're so fast. You like went flying. I looked for 1 second and you're just like there. Just look over and you're. Ain't no dodging that.
like mountains. Oh my god, it's Albert Einstein. Oh my god, Jesus.
Oh my god, it's Albert Einstein. Oh my god.
No, you're not Albert Einstein. You're Miss Albert from my kindergarten teacher.
Oh my god, it's a hacker. Oh my god, it's a hacker. Oh my god,
Oh my god, it's a Piggy bot. It's a Piggy bot from the hit Roblox game Piggy.
Mickey Mouse hacker.
It's a bot from Piggy, guys.
A Mickey Mouse hacker.
Hacker, what is happening right now?
He ain't hacking, he's just using a freaking thing so he can move around.
A Mickey Mouse hacker is here. In this server. I see it.
Hey,
Oh my
over
god,
here,
he's
over here.
flying.
Where's the Mickey Mouse hacker, though?
See, he's naughty.
Eh, who cares? If he wants you to go ahead and report him.
Am I the Mickey Mouse hacker?
Hey, if he ain't gonna tag anybody
Mickey Mouse
with those
hacker.
cheats,
It's a serious
there ain't no reason to
Mickey
report him.
Mouse.
Because he ain't harming us.
He has a mom.
He's just having fun.
He's just using the computer.
Wait, killing?
Blue, behind you, Blue! Oh my god, Blue, you barely dodged. There was a lava monkey that...
Oh, it's here! The Mickey
Trying
Mouse
to hide.
hacker! The Mickey Mouse hacker! Oh my god! Another time! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my Jesus! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ!
Who's Mickey Mouse hacker? Mickey Mouse hacker. Mickey Mouse.
My god, he's chasing Blue right now. Bye-bye.
He's not modding. He's just using the computer to troll to
control his.
Bro, we just saw him move
Dodge.
his head in the air. What do you mean, nerd? Yeah.
I
Yeah,
just
you're
saw him
mean.
disappear.
You're
just
mean.
saw
He
him on
disappeared. He disappeared. He appeared. He levitating.
Levitating.
Wait.
Where does my snowballs fucking go?
Mine keep disappearing too, bro.
Vanish out of the face of Earth and morph between reality.
Hello.
What?
Hello. Yo.
What the fuck?
You better say I'm my love.
Bye bye.
You better say I'm my love.
Can you actually become good at
My
mounting?
Bro, I have no control.
Well, why am I so good at that? Ain't nobody else. Oh, I should have jumped too early. I jumped too early.
Adventure Time.
I jumped too early. But the night before, where they missed me completely. Should have went the other way, shouldn't I? Shouldn't have took my chances.
I love parents.
So we're just gonna. Snowball just completely disappeared, yeah? Hi, Coco.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Sneak
Where
attack.
did you come from?
Sneak attack. Sneak attack. Oh, okay. You want to do that to me?
Just tag me.
I don't want to tag you. I don't need your help, Coco. I don't need your help.
Hello. No.
I don't want to tag you. There's one person going after. That person knows who they are. Where are they?
29 Luftballons. Fliegen hoch und weiter. Oh Jesus. Look
Where are
at
they?
guys. A balloon.
Oh, where are they?
Look at the eyes, bro.
You're hacking.
See?
I will get you.
Yeah, stuck. That's depressing. Disappointing.
I have a tactic there. And I have full control.
Hey, Mr. Ice Dragon.
90 Luftballons fliegen zum
Oh, I
Horizont.
only have one controller.
Das ist alles.
Tag him.
Oh.
Na. Das sind 90 Luftballons. 90 Luftballons fliegen beim Horizont.
Do you like troll me?
What the fuck is actually happening? My snowballs are moving through the reality of the universe. No, look at my snowballs. Look at my snowballs. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. Where the fuck does it go?
What? Oh, the disappearing snowballs? That happens to me. It's like, since Easter's been happening, it's been a glitch. My snowballs just completely
Why
disappear.
does that happen though?
I don't know. It's like the new Easter update happened. One of my hands my right hand can't hold the snowball straight.
I guess I'm just
So it sucks.
Say hello. Say hello. Hey, say hello.
They don't see me.
Say hello and I don't touch you.
I don't want to say hello. I don't want to. I don't want to.
Sorry?
You can come tag me or try to.
Hey, you. Say hello and I don't touch you.
He tagged you. I said hello. I have no controllers.
Dang it. Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Okay. Okay.
Warum hast du mich
Say hello and I don't touch you.
Hello.
I don't touch you.
Oh, Coco.
You lose 899 equals color code.
What I saw that right there.
He is actually annoying.
Why he blue? Oh, Coco.
Na.
Hug.
Elmo's world.
Yeah, Elmo's world of not living.
Come here.
Und wieder.
Löcher in der Hose.
See me, all hands, all fucking hands, see me.
Where's Black?
Oh,
Huh?
see me, bro, see me. I'm so good. And you're bad, and you're bad, and you're bad, and you're bad. See me. You said bad. You are a baby, bro. You're a baby.
What the?
Just behind the goddamn necklace.
No.
Hi, Black.
Oh my God, Jesus.
Oh my fucking god.
There's no way.
Hey, Black.
There's gotta be someone in here.
Hey, Black.
Or he's hiding in the slide. You know.
We're gonna go, Black, huh? Where you gonna go, huh? Where you gonna go, huh? Where you gonna go? Come on. Yeah, keep going. He ran into me. He completely ran into me. Come on, I need to break. I'm it again.
Oh, that's a.
Just literally 19.
I'm not getting socked.
Oh!
What the fuck are you talking about?
Jeez, you scared me, man. Run, Black, run. Other green, I go.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, he's after me.
I'm the
Yeah.
guy. The happy Anna.
Okay, me will die.
Oh, where?
So ein süßes Kind und du warst so ein süßes Kind und du warst süß, du warst
The monkey, hello.
Oh, anyway.
I can't do that trick. I can't do that trick. You know, I just.
Can't get back. No, me.
Oh, I will get you. I just. It's my first match of the day. Not ready.
Hello, what you doing up there, Fishbowl? Going to the fan, I see. Not a very good option.
Hello.
I'm sorry
See,
to
I
tell
go
you,
to the
but
card.
I don't
Guys,
think you can
love is
sing.
coming. Love is coming.
You already knew that, though. Hey! Jeez, man. Listen, you're getting way too close on these ones.
Money dog.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
dog. You good.
Come on. That is crazy. That is crazy.
What's the point of that trick? You don't move any faster than me. I guess you can just freaking play whack-a-mole here. Play whack-a-mole.
Yeah, I'm playing whack-a-mole, man. It's my trick. I call it the hokey pokey.
I've seen people do it though. I've seen a lot of people do it.
Yeah, there's a lot of you. I invented it like really long time ago when the slides were first in the game. At that time, I only had 2 turkeys, so Jeff wasn't a thing. The little skull on my arm. Hey, no.
No, okay. This is just a game of freaking whack-a-mole, dude.
No! No! Can you just tag somebody else at this point?
No, I'm going for you. There's a fan camper. Someone else is it.
You haven't tried.
Money dog.
Oh, there
For
it
these
is.
freaking snowballs were added. Snowballs are ruined
Oh,
everything.
yeah, I see you catching up. Keep going.
Thank you for the
Why
tech
did I just see the... Okay.
That was okay. That was a dumb move by your part. I wouldn't even tagged you. Tagging Coco.
Too so long. There's others that go in the lobby before you can find me.
What is the name of fan camper? What is the name? I see the fan camper. You're getting too close. It's gorilla. Oh, okay.
This is the fan cam. This is fan cam.
Yeah, bro, I was about to say if you didn't see him.
Hey, bro. Hey.
Oh, bro left in an instant. Yum, got tagged him.
What did I do?
I don't think I don't know if that was a real one or not. Real character in this,
Tell your
Jinxie fans, the thing you did, right?
It's a mask monkey defense camper.
That
doesn't make mask. This isn't this.
Some of it pretty useful. See, I tagged that dude here.
You're even the.
I made a lot of mistakes, but I tagged him. Gotta get better.
Okay, I'm going to you, but you could no.
Mountains, 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 mountains.
Oh my god.
This bitch really needs to cheat.
They hit fan. Okay, that's just depressing. It's just depressing, Coco. And you missed.
Where's your monkey? It's a monkey, that's
Black, they abs.
No.
People say have predictable rounds, but I don't even have a round. I just do things randomly.
Hello.
Kind of turn it. God dang it! Of course. I heard somebody. I didn't think there was anybody. Of course.
Money talks. Money talks. You got it.
Angry Bird.
Yeah, it's a sniper.
It's the money talks.
Got him.
Yes.
Oh, thank you for that other snowball, Green. You hit me back up the phone right here.
Don't worry, buddy.
Sometimes things are too slow.
Off for a second, I'm trying to do something.
Oh my god, that scared the cat.
There we go.
Yo, dude, these guys are literally fan capturing. Staying at friends. That is not fair.
What? Hey, nothing has to be fair, buddy. Nothing has to be fair.
What's your language? Come on, you can just go. What do you think?
Money talks. Money
Yeah,
talks.
money dogs. Dirty cash, I want. Dirty cash, money does talk. The cosmetics I have. Money does talk.
Money gets you free food.
Here, look.
Did you know that?
Money does not give you free food. Food ain't free. You pay for money, which is backed up by gold.
Oh fuck.
You bastard.
Hey, I saved.
Green, minty green, run, green, run. I'm gonna sit up here for as long as I can. You can get me?
I saved, bro. I saved.
Tag minty.
Oh my god, Jesus. Money dog. Yes. Rapta Maria.
God dang it! Bro.
I've seen people
Okay,
get
we're gonna do that. I know how to do it. I don't know.
I
can do it. I just.
Can you teach me?
How do you do it?
You gotta do like one hand at a time and throw your hands up. You gotta do it repetitively, like.
Not that one.
Like you gotta go like.
You got attacked first, so you're.
Yeah, it's hard to do. I know how to do it. I just don't know how to. Or I guess I know how it's done.
That one.
Oh,
He's standing on. How do you do it? I'm standing here waiting until you tell me how the fuck you do it.
Nah, I'm good.
Did what? What are we doing? Get on that target over there? Hey, don't spray sunscreen on me, boy.
Yeah, boy, I did it. I finally did it. How do you get up there?
It's got a. You have a slingshot? What are you?
Purple, how did you do that? How do you get off?
I inclined too quickly. Shoot up too quickly.
How do you get up on that target?
It's
How do you do it?
It's easy, bro. It's
How?
easy.
Then tell me how.
My body hit that pump.
No.
I don't know how to do it. I only know how to do this.
No tagging me. No tagging me, go go.
We're protected by Frank and Paul.
Probably deserves the most.
How did you just miss that? My head again.
Look like a crazy person.
What am I?
Bunny hopping method.
How do you get up on that target, bro?
I can teach you if you want.
Look, I know how to do it.
I really do. I really do want to know.
I didn't do that right. If I did that right, I know there.
And I'm still practicing getting better.
If I can hit the fan right, just gotta go.
What?
Just gonna know how to wall surf to begin with.
Okay.
And you can just.
Go, 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 go! Go, red monkey behind you!
How do you do
Wall
it?
surf up here.
How do you do it?
Yeah, okay, so it's simple. I
double
just
ways to do
get on here.
Yeah,
right?
no, schoolboy.
So with here, okay.
No!
Okay. Okay, bro. Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna wait.
Hey, wait, do you want me to throw a snowball up to you? Hey, can you do the snowball one?
So you go here.
Okay,
Oh,
count of three.
I go there.
1, 2, 3.
So, you see this little
I told you
line?
to jump.
Okay, I can't see it now.
Come on, come get me, boy. Come get me.
This the-
Come on.
okay.
Take me on, take me on. Take me on, take me on.
Oh my god, I got stuck. Bro! Basically. Okay, do like that.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so basically you stay here and you go to Frank. You're like,
I took
okay.
that a little.
Okay. Stop. God, I'm trying to learn here. I'm trying to
Bro,
learn
that
here,
was
dude. I'm trying to teach
brutal. That
someone
was brutal
here.
to me.
I just got to the fan right now.
Hey.
Like how?
Oh.
How do you go with snowballs? Like, do you know how to jump really high?
I can do the jump really high, but I can't like
Show 'em, yeah.
really do it. Like, if I can,
Okay, guess I can.
my snowballs kind of just disappear.
I just had the insane leg. So
My snowballs kind of
The lava monkey, bro.
just didn't know that.
Okay.
You just didn't know that.
So get on here.
Jump outwards.
What is the reason for this? Don't get on here. See this line? Yeah. So basically,
Everybody's getting tag purple.
put your
Hurry.
foot on this line. And then you just go to. Oh, Jesus. So I go. Bro, show me again. Show me. Okay,
Who the hell is doing that?
That bad monkey doing it. Okay, I'm going for him.
I'm ready for black now.
Okay, tag black.
It's not black. He's like brown, purple.
No,
Actually, red.
You're not even red. You're like a brown. Unless you're very dark maroon, but you look more.
0-0. That's my color.
Okay, so basically.
Well, you ain't very red then.
Is that a lava monkey?
Okay. So basically, see this line?
Bro, I think you messed up there, buddy.
And tag. And then you go stand. You then go to the. Like here on this line. On this line. So what you're going to do is you're going to lean your body to the side. If you go in there.
Yeah, don't tag me.
Basically, you go.
Oh, you don't want to be tagged, eh?
I'm gonna show you how. But then yeah. I'm gonna show you how to get the car. With momentum and
I don't know how to not get tagged.
okay. And so it's hard.
I got in the tunnel though.
It takes a lot of practice.
Stinky,
purple.
monkey.
Oh, which line exactly? Which line exactly?
Purple line.
Yeah, this line. Same time.
This line?
What do you need to do? Yeah, see this line here.
I'm trying to do that the normal way.
In there.
Is this thing cool?
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch up to
Just do
you.
that and then you can do it. But it takes a lot of practice. It don't. And then, how many you do it?
Oh, Bro, what?
Wow. Come on, get that monkey. Get him.
No. Yes. Where's Mr. Fly Guy?
Oh my god. Okay.
No.
Tag. Okay, we're just blind. Okay.
So it takes a lot of practice.
No.
Bro, my right controller's broken.
And sometimes I'm just going to.
Oh my god, that didn't
Get my hand on my other hand. Put on my mains. Okay. Let's see where. Tag him. Okay, we're just annoying him.
Yeah. Don't try to go too high.
Hi, Mr. Fly Guy. Oh, snowball.
And you do this. Basically. I messed it up right there. But if you did it good, you can do it properly. I got a lot of
I got stuck.
So did the other dude.
Oh, I messed that up.
Oh, I about sniped him. I almost sniped
Yeah,
him.
that was easy tag.
I almost sniped him.
It takes a lot of practice.
Hey, 'cause you got stuck.
Practice though. And it's really hard to do it. For the first time, I messed it up. But you're like, you got the word. Yeah.
Okay, so Cyan.
Yeah. Like this is you, okay?
Oh,
Your
he
body,
died.
Your hips. What? Oh my god, I just got
Oh,
I just got nailed.
casino time.
Wait, help. I know, wait.
Fuck is that?
Get away. So your hips.
So above your hips, all your body,
So head to leg.
but I will.
So head to leg. No! You got.
What the freak is doing this?
You got the head to leg sideways. You do the right. It takes a lot of practice. You can watch it in.
Got the yucky.
You had the one. That was the only chance you were gonna get to tag, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Probably.
I'm
No,
going to
no,
do.
stop joking me. There's no nine.
Come on, Rig.
Oh my god, how the
So
hell?
yeah,
Hello.
you can watch it in YouTube. You can watch it on YouTube. It's they will explain it better than I can. Yeah.
Oh.
Finally, you're
How are you doing that fast? Thank you. No.
no worries.
Bro was overshot. Crazy.
You think that's funny? Nah. Where's my snowball? Here. Where's my snowball? Inside my hand.
Hello.
No, I missed.
Come on, Coco. You really serious, Coco? Coco, we can get you banned, Coco.
No.
Coco, we will get you banned.
No.
I'm gonna get Coco
Hey,
banned.
it's
Coco.
me, Goku. Hello, I'm sorry.
No.
Sorry. Who really did that
cannot do
sentence? Oh my
this.
god.
I just,
I'm sorry.
Bro.
Coco.
Okay.
Coco.
losing that.
I don't like Coco now. Coco, you ruined it.
what the hell? It's a lot of
I have to see you and I'm coming for you.
Oh my god.
Little skateboarding monkey.
It isn't. It's my
Ooh.
superhuman creation. And it kills people for food.
Ooh.
My snowballs just hate me.
Yes.
No.
Sniped. He got sniped.
My
Sniped.
snowballs hate me.
That's for.
That wasn't.
Why does my
That was a snipe. I sniped you, bro. I sniped you. I came flying in and tagged you.
Oh damn.
No one.
Watch it out. She's out.
Okay, he's smart. He's a smart one. Just smart one.
Oh, I'm leaving.
That was.
Okay.
You're leaving just because I just tagged you. Okay. Okay.
I made it to top.
No, we can talk about this. We can talk
Yeah,
about
that's just
this.
rage quitting. You're just rage quitting.
It's not rage quitting.
That's rage quitting. You got tagged.
My life. So what do you mean?
Bro, I don't even know what he's talking about.
You're literally rage quitting. I tagged you and you're like, I'm leaving.
I'm not rage quitting.
You can't wait.
Almost rage quitting. May not exactly be the term I'm looking for, but still.
No,
Okay, that's enough.
Or a sore loser, maybe?
Oh, okay.
Because I tagged you once. I guess twice. funny, huh? Oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my god!
Yo, what the fuck?
Hot green.
Oh my god!
Wow, this game is so peaceful
Bro.
without that one.
This game is so laggy, I can... Bro! What? No vibrations?
No, nothing. Like, I'm just that green, guys. That green.
Why are you not tagging him?
Because I am
Asking a
not
real question.
No,
Yeah, clearly.
I just muted this one guy.
Bro, there's...
Oh no, there's no
That was
green.
definitely me, I know that.
There's a guy in
Oh, said he's gonna leave.
Oh, can you
That tag?
speak properly? Okay, okay.
All I said was
I'm
good
just
things.
saying, get green,
Take the
but
bro
there's
off,
no
bro.
green.
Take the bro.
Yo, stop
Oh, I
throwing
can't do
balls at me.
Get out!
Mickey Mouse, no, don't Mickey Mouse. Oh, thanks for your No, I'm back.
Yo, Spider.
I meant, like, why is my snowball spawning
Bro,
inside me?
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows.
Oh no, it's the same.
Oh,
as
my
mine.
nose,
It's just this hand.
So yeah, bro was definitely.
Yeah,
yeah.
purple, can
Yeah,
I
we all
tag
know he's
you?
trying to rage quit. So I tell you.
Wait, stay down here. I'll launch you. I wanna launch you. Stay
No,
down.
no,
Wait, let me get my snowballs.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's purple? Where did purple? Can we
Purple,
tag?
can I tag you?
That
Oh,
wasn't
that
that loud.
wasn't good. That wasn't good.
Yo, I'll launch you guys.
Ah,
I'm back. I'm the tiger now. I'm the tiger now.
It's the candy man.
It's absolutely crazy though.
Then fly a really good fact.
Man, put the flash in the back.
Oh, boo!
I wish
Dang it.
there we go. That was not too good.
Yo, it's your island here. You can't eat. Yo, you have no eyes, bro. How you saying?
Okay, who's doing it?
Are you trying?
Oh, up there.
Okay.
My neck hurts.
Ooh, I'm ending the video here. Bye bye. It's getting boring.